community leaders. Angelica.
That's right, Dave. The district announced their decision early this afternoon. They say even though the COVID numbers are on the rise, the district schools are safe.
We heard from our medical director in our last board meeting, and he made it very clear that any increase in COVID cases is coming from the community. It's not coming from within our schools.
The Buffalo Public School District announced that students will be back for in-person learning as planned on January 3rd. Previously, District Superintendent Dr. Kreiner Cash was unsure if kids would head back to school for in-person learning, citing concerns about the county's rising COVID rates.
At this point, I'm concerned that they were considering not coming back. Because when you look at it, probably the biggest underreported news story of the year is the impact COVID has had on our children in school, particularly in Buffalo Public Schools. And if we would have been out of school again, I just don't know if as a community of children in this school district, if we could have fully recovered from it.
Remote instruction should be used as a last resort, and I'm seeing firsthand some of the escalation in some of the social emotional needs, intensity of those social emotional needs as a result of being isolated and dealing with the pandemic and interrupted instruction and schooling last year.
The district turns to vaccinations as a way to help keep the schools open.
We need to pick up our game with getting more of our children 5 to 11 vaccinated here in Buffalo. I want to see clinics in our schools daily so that there's access for our families to get more of our children vaccinated. That's the ultimate weapon to combating this pandemic, this virus, and keeping our kids in school safely.
Now, Scott also says they've already had a few vaccination clinics at their Saturday academies. Those were in partnership with the Erie County Department of Health. In the studio, Angelica Morrison, News 4.